wonder who that is. And there'll be another one there. Right. It's 7 AM and as you can hear, I've got the heater on. Well, he's on the shutdown mode at the moment. And fuel line, I did it because it was real cold here last night. So that's the thickness of the strap this time. So that's looking good. The thickness of, oh, I got the bloody radio going. Right, so that's another inch. So it's taken an inch a night, and it was cold, so I had it on early last night. And I've had it on longer than I would have this morning. So look at that. Oh, I don't know. I think the camera's frosted up, isn't it? The sun's come out over there, not over here. Yeah, heater's just shut down. Yeah, that'll do me. Yeah, beautiful. We've got Mary's van now, new motor. My van. Next to my van, we've got one man and his whippets. Sparkling. Had it washed specially. We got Billy's big little big adventures van. And we've got the urban camper. Can't remember. Broken window. And then we got Betty B. Then we got Betty Boondockers. We got Inspector Gadgets.
Remember you're a
Womble! What are you laughing at? And we got camper fantails. Hence the 2 doggies.
It's just like, no, it's a reason I've got one really cold hand.
Traditional base.
Oh dear.
Let's not make it any more complicated than it needs to be.
And then
How many people?
we have the expert us
Expert us, of course. Oh, they got mushrooms.
with mushrooms and cheese, beefed up crust.
Careful, they're going to fall off the edge. There's not mushroom for them.
The mushroom.
Excuse me, they're not mushrooms. And then we're going to have
Oh, I'm going to have to wash my hands, otherwise everything's going to have dough on it.
dough
Are you alright getting in the bag?
and pepperoni
Pizza dough all over the van. I'm fine getting it.
and mushrooms.
No, I don't. What are you cooking, Kev?
I'm not, I'm the tester.
You're oh, hang on a minute. I don't think there's enough for you then.
I'm a tester.
So is this a competition?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've got 2.
I've gone for a different meal.
If somebody wants
I
one of
didn't know
those.
this was a challenge. Right.
If you want an holiday.
Yeah, I didn't know this was a challenge.
I was sending you messages and you were on holiday.
Yeah, I know.
And they're making their pizza, going there Ridge Monkey, cheese crust.
you want.
I've got a pizza with
Stuffed cheese crust,
yes.
Well,
Yeah.
or whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's up to you. Doesn't matter which way you're at, really.
Gadget John's good lady, trying to wash her hands, she's just making her own base and sorting that out. And I've got a spot on my camera.
Oh, extreme.
And then you've got
Stop that.
John over there.
Hey,
He's doing
don't
his
hold
own
that
pizza
one up.
in his own oven there.
Can't really hold it.
Oh, and there's
Starting cooking.
no, and
Yeah, you have to tell me how long it takes to do stuff.
so we're all having a go.
This
This is me with my little dust on my screen. There you go. And I'm not going to cut that out.
We do have another pizza up and running.
Oh yeah,
So old.
mozzarella.
Preparing mine now.
Yeah.
So I've loaded up all my bases. Well, that's lunch. Just remove lunch from the oven. Oh, a little bit of fry light on the lid. I forgot that stage. Let me just do that now.
Amateurs.
One tap. Look at this.
Oh no!
Rustic. There we go.
That's it, now we've got 1 cal all over my lens.
Yeah.
It's multi-use though. I'm sure there'll be some really good use for it on your lens of some sort.
So I'm ready. I've prepared mine. Mine looks a little different than yours.
Yours is smaller than ours.
It is smaller. I've had that problem all my life. Yeah.
The legendary master chefs. Darryl and Keith, the camper van tail cooks of the century.
Are you even
Is that Play-Doh?
It looks like Play-Doh. Yes.
Yeah, we have techniques. Brute force.
I forgot to say I don't like mushrooms.
Before we lose everything.
Are the dogs going to get fed pretty soon?
I think me slice. Where's the slice? In the fridge. In the pan. Got it? It's just sticking to this. hold the pipe on it.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I've covered everything. Don't go in the van.
Got it? Yeah, thank you. Shouldn't be on stick of paper one.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, and the dogs thought they were going to get fed then.
A bit more pepperoni on it, or?
Really? I'm cooking in the van, you know that, don't you?
Yeah.
Who's that? Good luck.
I know.
I'm going to fall off then. Not make it so it's like a big solid.
You want me to?
No.
Right, yep. And then we close the lid.
Let's get this one going.
I can turn the oven on if you want me to.
Or the microwave.
Or a microwave. Better in a microwave.
I'll let you do that because I don't know how to work it.
It is going on, isn't it?
You're going to work now, mate. The gas is on the floor.
There's a way to press the button in. You press the button in.
Have they put that on the hob and then they've just walked up to it?
Yep.
Not lit, is it?
Yeah, it's lit.
I can see it.
I can hear it roaring.
Yeah.
There we go.
I thought you'd done the fateful thing then, Keith, of walking away and leaving the pizza
There'll be
there.
plenty of time to take a bit of time that way.
Where's the other dog?
Hold on, I'm going to the fire
a minute.
Mama, call
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Do we know what the underside is like
Is
though?
the word set when it's black it's done?
Yeah, I mean, like, that to me, that looks like it's cooked. So, see if we can have a look underneath without losing the pizza.
So surely it was in a blue thing that was on here? Oh, it's down there now.
That's perfect. Golden brown.
That's perfect.
Golden brown. Yeah,
That's
I'd
perfect.
say- I'd say that's ready then.
Yeah. Ow! It had to be the thumb, didn't it? The same thumb.
Oh, did you have
Oh, I feel real sorry for you, John.
The proof is in. Yep.
Crispy.
Cooked. Cooked.
Very nice.
Stuffed
crusty.
Garlic bread. Just make it into the thing and down and chuck it in the oven. It makes all sorts of stuff, and it literally is just Greek yogurt and plain flour, equal amounts of both. And it's my new go-to everything.
Surely this fire's hotter than that one.
I like my eyebrows a bit though.
Yeah.
Oh, you see, yours look better than mine. So,
That seems a little bit better than it did
Oh, that's
before.
going to be hot, that is.
yeah, it's molten a bit.
Well, at least it's alright because it was out of the freezer. It was frozen.
Oh,
So,
I see.
The sides are a bit soggy, is that right?
well, it's like it gets condensation inside. That's why I keep opening my lid.
Oh, okay.
Did you not turn it upside down when?
Yeah, I did that the first time and I had to re-top it all because the toppings went a bit iffy.
Can you move this fire? Because that smoke's going in my eyes.
Just stand on this side.
So you finish it off in the other one here.
Oh, always a good idea.
Workabout.
Is that the naan bread?
Is that your Nana's bread?
Quench your burn.
Nana's Nonna Italiano Bertolini recipe.
Nonna.
Nonna.
Bella nonna.
Plenty of tomato sauce.
Fiore.
Fiore. You want some dinner? From Nick Gardner. Master Italian pizza chef at work. Enough?
Is this number 2? Is it?
Big number 2.
That's cruel. Quite funny.
So you made two and a bit pizzas.
Yeah. Carrying it across from there.
You put your knife. Yeah, go on.
I know I made it. Or do I score it like it was every other pizza I've eaten?
That's what a pizza would be like.
Look at that, it's like something out of a magazine.
It's really difficult to buy a pizza that is...
Cheese isn't melted much.
Logs on that. It is. Big point in the right way. It's edible.
Let's go and find some warmth.
I am absolutely...
You're not coming, Colin?
Well, if you do need to go for a joyride, the keys are in her.
Are you taking your big stick as well?
I can see you letting you in the pub with that.
Are you a samurai? Or a fisherman?
Jake's new fishing rod. You'll do better with that.